Maybe sometimes you don't feel confident about yourself, or maybe you don't feel like confident doing some particular task, or maybe sometimes you feel like you really don't believe in yourself. So this is a question that many people have been asking themselves: how do I build my self-esteem? In this video, we are going to be talking about how to build your self-esteem and make sure that you have gained all the confidence that you need, maybe to take up a particular job, maybe take up a particular task in life, or maybe to even to find a partner in life. Self-esteem is something that is very critical, because in every day, in each and every day of our lives, we find that we need to do certain things, and if you don't have the confidence to do these things, you find that you don't even take the energy, you don't take the task, and you just find yourself you're giving up in most of the things that you're doing. So we are going to be answering the question on how do you really build your self-esteem. Welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start, and manage your business. One of the ways that you can actually build your self-esteem, number one, is practice self-compassion. When we're talking about self-compassion, we're talking about when you start appreciating yourself. Sometimes we make mistakes, and some people take it very hard on them. They take it very hard on themselves. They even stop eating because they feel like they have made the biggest mistake. But you should accept that sometimes you are prone to make mistakes, and life is full of, sometimes life, you just have to make mistakes so that you can learn from them. And in fact, that some people, they really take this in the negative way. Instead of learning from their mistakes, they live in the mistakes. They do not want to move from that mistake, and find that they really are too harsh on themselves. And sometimes it's really good to treat yourself with the kindness, the same kindness that you're treating other people with. Always, sometimes it's good to treat yourself with the same kindness. And then another way to build your self-esteem, number two, is set realistic goals. When people set goals that are not realistic, sometimes they find that they are not able to achieve these goals. And once you're not able to achieve a goal, sometimes you feel very bad about yourself, and you find that you're even hating yourself because you did not achieve something that you had set to do. So one of the ways that you can build your self-esteem is make sure that when you're setting goals, always set goals that you can be able to achieve. And once you start achieving these goals, sometimes you find that the adrenaline in your body, sometimes you feel very happy because you have done something that you had planned to do. Another way to build self-esteem is focus on positive self-talk. It's good sometimes to always encourage yourself, tell yourself that you can do things, tell yourself how beautiful you are. In the morning, give yourself affirmations, because if you expect people to give you affirmations, sometimes you'll just be very disappointed. So it's good to always tell yourself how good you are, and remind your brain that you can do something, you can do things, you're beautiful, you're wonderfully made. And you find that once you start the habit of affirming yourself, the brain starts now getting used to that, and that is how people will start perceiving you in the way that you're thinking, the way you perceive yourself. So it is good. Another way to build your self-esteem is start talking positively about yourself. And then another way that you can build your self-esteem is celebrate small wins. Maybe sometimes we achieve things in life and we don't notice that we have really made a small win. And sometimes it's good if you have made, let's say it's a job, you had coveted for a certain job, and you have been able to convince the people in that company to employ you. That's a small win. Always appreciate yourself by maybe buying a gift, take a day off, go maybe do your nails, go get a shave. That is a way of appreciating yourself. Whenever you do something small and you have maybe found that you had maybe thought that you would not be able to achieve that thing, and you have been able to manage in the end, always appreciate yourself. And this, when you appreciate yourself, sometimes it even gives you the morale to continue on with life. So once you achieve something small, always appreciate yourself. So those are the 4 ways you can actually build your self-esteem. If you are facing challenges, if you're facing challenges building your self-esteem, you can use those to build your self-esteem. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave it in the comment section, and now be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. And if you're interested in learning more about self-esteem, you can enroll at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com, or call them at 0703 313 722, or send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Until next time, goodbye.